Hey everybody, Scott Travels here at the solo lounge in the NCL Getaway. My home away from home this week. We'll see what happens. Want to see our room? Okay, let's go. Here's a hallway. Incredible vibe. Let's go look. It's one of those card ones you gotta put in. It's the sideway room. Alright, let's see. There's the porthole window. There's the bed pushed against. It's not a split bed either. It's one solid bed. So no lying in the middle. I already cheated being in here with my water bottles over there. Phone's charging, TV's there. Sink's built in there, and there's no towel holder, so I'm figuring out I gotta put the towel there. Wipe my hands. Here's an interesting one. Yeah, there's me. Your plugs are in here. In here. And, you know, the toilet is in its own room with no sink or shelves. Interesting, huh? That'll probably stay open because, you know, it's only me. That's a joining room, apparently. And here's the shower. It's in the room. Let's see how big the shower is. It's actually bigger than it looks. You know. Bigger than it looked. Gotta step down. Turn around. Here's an innovative thing. Slide to open and close. There's the closet. Coat hanging. Little desk area. Yeah. Really. Open that to more storage, I guess. Strange. And then more hanging. The safe. Your phone. Must be all the lights. Ooh. Oh. So there is my studio room for the long weekend, and we'll go from there. We'll go walk around the Getaway and see what happens, and see the sailaway party. It's been pretty fast to get on today, and not much else. All right.